Hi friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, creator of Selectors Hub. In this video, I will show you how to generate multiple XPath and export in XLS using Selectors Hub. Because many a times, if we have to get all the XPath, then it is like really tedious task to come back. Like for an example, if on test project website, if you have to get all the header values, so it is really tedious task, like you inspect one by one element, then copy this XPath or CSS selector from here, then go back to your uh, editor, then paste the value there, then come back, then again inspect another element. So all this takes a lots of time and effort, like one by one doing. And then if you have command, of course that command feature is there, so you can implement that. But this takes a lot of time back and forth. If suppose 100 elements are there, that there we have to waste a lot of time. So to overcome that and save more time on that, here we have the amazing feature: generate selectors XPath, multiple XPath for multiple elements all together, and then that you can save and export in XLS, as well as you can copy. All multiple features are there. So for that, you have to click on this button here. You see, uh, click to generate automation code or multiple XPath. So when you hover on this, it looks like a capture and icon kind of. So click on this. Once you will click on this, you will see that this will be the UI here, and here you will see all kinds of locators, whatever possible for the inspected element, that it will show. So this is really amazing. And now just start inspecting one by one whichever element you want. So let's say we want all these headers, so platform, we want docs. And if you observe that in selector sub tab, all these selectors are possible selectors are getting generated for this element. And let's say some other element, if we inspect from here, so this one you will see that. So now if you see here, you see this is the, like, it you also get the label name as well, like platform. So platform here, then x path, then CSS selector for each inspected element, and whatever possible, like you see that for the first element class was there, for rest of them class was not there, whatever possible, link text, parser link text, tag name, input. So this is really amazing. Now here we have got all the possible selectors. This you can directly click on this to click copy all icon, to copy all the values, like directly you can copy and go to your editor or wherever you are writing. So you can just directly paste all the XPath, or else you can export it into XLS as well. You just click on this, the file will be exported, all the XPath and all these selectors value came here in this XLS. To save more time, like still, because you feel that still we have to write the command, like driver.find element or whatever command you are using. So to save that time as well, you just turn on this command feature, set driver command, and here, like whatever is your driver command, in that you just have to replace the XPath by XPath value. So like this, driver.find element, and here by.xpath for an example, and then you have here XPath value. Wherever you have written XPath, just replace that with XPath value keyword and press enter. You see that all the commands are generated with the this one. So now you can copy this value and go to your editor and see the magic here. Delete this value and paste this. You see that all the commands are ready here. Now whatever you want, you can click, you can get text, anything you want, that you can do uh, with your values here. And it is really straightforward and simple. You can also export this into XLS, and at any point of time, this, if you open XLS, you will see all these values and everything will be there in the XLS, that you can refer at any point of time. This will save a huge amount of time for you, and will save will save your effort, and will there will not be any like back and forth work kind of tedious task you will not have to do, inspect one by one and then come back again. So this, hope this will saves a lot of time for you. And please let me know how this feature you uh, how much helpful this feature is for you, and it is going to save a lot of time. There is one more great thing here in this, like you see that because most of you are not writing the selectors like this, means command like this. We in industry actually we write like this along with this label name, then key pair value generally written, right? So suppose if the key for this element for this XPath, suppose our command is something like this: find element by dot XPath and XPath value, and before that you have the find label as well, find element, and there is something like by label or by selector name, what is the name of that selector. So here you have to, and then suppose there is a dot or something like that, and here you have this name of basically referring the element, referring this XPath. So here you have to replace that with selector's name and press enter. You see that it will give you the complete command now along with this. So key value pair, if I copy this value here, if you want to like if we have to take this value, so let me copy this value here and paste it here and show you what does that mean. So basically you can generate the complete command like find element by dot label, that label name here, selector name came here, and then this is the XPath. So this is how you can build the complete command. You need not to like even handle that as well. You see that this is platform, this is docs, then blog, then forum, and here you can add it. Like if you feel that this label name is not useful for me, then you can change like platform header you want, that you can make it, and then you can export and or copy whatever you want. So this way it is going to save a tremendous amount of time. If you have any doubt on this feature, like how you can pass the label name in place of label name, you have to pass the selector name. Make sure that you pass this keyword selector name. So this will help you a lot in your while writing page object model kind of thing, and it will save a tremendous amount of time. Hope you like this feature. Please let me know in the comment section what is the command you use in your framework, so that I can make it more easy and more convenient. And if there is any issue, feel free to let me reach out to me anytime. You can join the Slack channel and Selector Sub Slack channel, Telegram link, anywhere you can join, and please join everywhere. And if you have any feedback, any comment, do let me know in the comment section, and request you to please like, share, and share Selector Sub with the community and everyone, and let save their time and effort what they are wasting today with old methods what they are using to write the automation script. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because such innovations are there, a lot more coming, so you will keep getting the updates about them. And make sure, please support Selector Sub, be a patron. This is a free project. I'm working on this project full time, so please support Selector Sub, be patron, please donate and share it. Thank you so much for your support.